Jimmy Kimmel's life is a late-night comedy show in itself, packed with twists, quirks, and heartfelt moments. Born on November 13, 1967, in Brooklyn, New York, Kimmel's early days in the Mill Basin neighborhood were a far cry from the glitzy sets of Hollywood. The eldest of 3 siblings, he grew up in a Catholic household, even serving as an altar boy. His Italian and German roots gave him a surname, Kümmel, which means caraway in German. A DNA test later surprised him with Albanian ancestry. At 9, his family moved to Las Vegas, where he graduated high school and started dabbling in radio, inspired by his idol, David Letterman. Is his monologue the mirror reflecting America's mood every night? Kimmel's rise to fame started with humble beginnings. Inspired by David Letterman, he dabbled in radio during high school, eventually earning his stripes as Jimmy the Sports Guy in Los Angeles. It was here that he forged a lifelong friendship with Adam Carolla, setting the stage for comedic collaborations like The Men Show and Crank Yankers. Television came knocking, and Kimmel's sharp wit turned him into a game show Emmy winner for When Ben Stein's Money. But his biggest gamble paid off in 2003 when he launched Jimmy Kimmel Live, a late-night staple where his mix of satire and heartfelt moments has kept audiences hooked for over 2 decades. From sparring with Matt Damon to hosting the Oscars 4 times, Kimmel has mastered the art of entertainment. Born to Joan, of Italian descent, and James John Kimmel, who had German roots, Jimmy's childhood was a rich blend of cultures. The family moved to Las Vegas when he was 9, where Kimmel grew up as the eldest of 3 siblings. His quirky family members, like Uncle Frank and Cousin Sal, became beloved fixtures on his show, adding a personal touch to his public life. Kimmel's personal life has been as colorful as his career. In 1988, he married Gina Maddie, and together they had 2 kids, Catherine, born in 1991, and Kevin, born in 1993. Though their marriage ended in 2002, Kimmel's journey to love took a comedic twist. After a 7-year relationship with comedian Sarah Silverman, he met Molly McNaney, a co-head writer on his show. Their story is straight out of a rom-com, colleagues turned partners. They married in 2013 and now have 2 children. Their daughter Jane was born in 2014, and their son Billy arrived in 2017 with a heart condition that required surgery just days after his birth. Billy's story made Kimmel an unexpected advocate for healthcare reform, delivering one of the most moving monologues of his career. Kimmel holds the crown as the longest-running late-night host in the U.S., surpassing even Conan O'Brien. His humor, often self-deprecating, paired with his bold opinions, like joking he'd quit rather than stop mocking Donald Trump, keeps him both loved and debated. Off-screen, he's a bass clarinet player, a genealogy enthusiast, Martha Stewart is his distant cousin, and a die-hard supporter of the Feast of San Gennaro festival. At 57, Jimmy Kimmel's Hermosa beach home is a serene retreat that balances coastal charm with understated luxury. Tucked at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac, this 1940s beach cottage, acquired for $8 million in an off-market deal, is a quintessential reflection of his grounded personality and comedic brilliance. The house spans 2,110 square feet, with 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and offers breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean that could rival any Hollywood set. Upon entering, the home welcomes you with warm, hardwood floors and a living room bathed in natural light, courtesy of oversized windows framing the ocean. The decor leans toward modern minimalism, with plush furniture in neutral tones accentuated by vibrant art pieces, a testament to Kimmel's appreciation for subtle elegance. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring high-end appliances, including a Wolf range and Sub-Zero refrigerator, seamlessly integrated into sleek cabinetry. Kimmel's master bedroom is a sanctuary of relaxation, featuring a king-sized bed with crisp linens, a cozy reading nook, and French doors that open to a private patio overlooking the waves. The ensuite bathroom boasts a spa-like ambience with a deep soaking tub, marble countertops, and a rainfall shower. The backyard is where the magic of this home truly shines. Lush landscaping surrounds a spacious outdoor deck equipped with a state-of-the-art grilling station and a fire pit, perfect for hosting intimate gatherings with celebrity friends. A winding path leads to a private gate granting direct access to the beach, while strategically placed lounge chairs invite you to soak in the sunset. For Kimmel, this isn't just a house, it's a haven where laughter echoes, memories are made, and the ocean breeze carries the scent of possibilities. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next update.